Exactly. Look at that.
Teacher, what are these boxes?
Today we will study important human organs.
I'm first.
Come on,
Okay.
let's open. This is human brain.
Brain? No. I don't understand anything. Oh. Okay. To think quickly, you need to read a lot. I know how to solve this question. Super! Thank you! My turn. What inside?
Let's see.
Heart! Aha!
Fight!
Hi-ya! Hi-ya! I'm so tired. Hello. Doctor, I'm getting tired so fast. Oh? You have to train your heart. Okay. Bye. I need to train. Yes! Let's go. My heart is strong now. Yeah! Now me. What is next? These are lungs. I'm sorry. Is it better?
Come on.
Open!
This is our stomach.
I have no friends. Roma, you must eat. Then you'll have energy. Good idea. Bon appetit. Yummy. Go. Now it's better. Last one. Liver? Let's feed our livers. Yummy. Roma, you need to feed your liver with good healthy food. You can try. Okay. Thank you. Yay! Our body is so interesting.
Kids, you must take care of your body all your life.
Time for school. First day of school. I love
Okay.
What?
Diana, we have a rules. School uniform and backpack.
Hello!
Oh, this is better.
Yay! La 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 la.
Diana, no toys at school.
Only notebook and pencil. Sorry. Bye-bye. Everything related to school. La 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 la
Time for lunch. Diana, only healthy food, please. It's time for home.
Super! This was a great day! Guys, are you ready for school?